Next problem we see here is related to the wave optics chapter. In this, given that in YDSE experiment, wavelength of light used is 620 nanometer and separation between slits is 0.2 millimeter. Find the angular fringe width. So angular fringe width, what we can write? We can write delta theta angular fringe width. This is equal to lambda by d. The value of lambda is given here, that is 620 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter upon 0.2 into 10 power minus 3. This is the value of small d. So from here we will get the value of angular fringe width. If you solve it, you will get this value 3.1 into 10 power minus 3. Now the next question is related to the photoelectric effect chapter. Given that photons of wavelength lambda and 3 lambda incident on metal surface, if stopping potential for the ejected photoelectrons are respectively 4V0 and V0, find the threshold wavelength. So if we relate the stopping potential with the work function, so what equation we can write here? We can write E V0, where V0 is the stopping potential, E, capital E is the energy of the photon incident on the surface, minus W, that is the work function. So for the first case, the potential is what? Stopping potential is 4V0. So equation we can write 4E V0 is equal to E, that is Hc by lambda, minus Sc by lambda naught, threshold wavelength, which we want to calculate in this problem. Now the next equation we can make, when the wavelength is 3 lambda, then stopping potential is V0. So equation we can write E V0 is equal to Hc by 3 lambda minus Sc by lambda naught. This is the second equation. Now the value of EV naught from this second equation, we can put it in the first equation. So we can write here 4 in bracket Sc by 3 lambda minus Sc by lambda naught is equal to Sc by lambda minus Sc by lambda naught. And if we simplify this, we will get 4 Sc by 3 lambda minus Hc by lambda is equal to 4 Hc by lambda naught minus Hc by lambda naught. And from here, we get the value of lambda naught. It comes out what? If you see here, if you solve this one, 4 by 3 minus 1, so that is Sc by 3 lambda is equal to 3 Sc by lambda naught. So lambda naught is equal to 9 lambda. So that is the answer for this problem.